Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I wanted to do a unboxing of the Scentsy June Warmer of the Month. So the Warmer of the Month is lemon inspired, so definitely if you guys are into lemons and love lemon decor, I highly suggest that you check this out because it is super cute. It reminds me of lemonade from the fair. So I have here the Warmer of the Month. It comes in a box like this. I'm going to go ahead and open the box so I can show you guys what the warmer looks like. So inside you have your typical warning instructions and you have your safety instructions from Scentsy. You have a brown box and this should be your warming dish. Yes, this is the warming dish that goes on top of the warmer. So it's clear, looks like that has a little lip on it so that it looks like a pitcher. Gonna go ahead and set that box aside so we can pull the actual warmer out. Oh, this is super cute. So this is this month's warmer. Let's go ahead and undress it here so you guys can see what it looks like. It is a lemonade picture. So it looks like that. The dish goes on top. And you put your bulb down in there and you put your wax melts up top. So that is this month's warmer. Like always, we have a fragrance of the month as well. The fragrance of this month is called Squeeze the Day. This is also, once again, lemon inspired. So if you are a lemon fanatic, I highly suggest that you pick this up. The scent description on Squeeze the Day says, "Pucker up, lemon lovers. You've officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream." So these are on special this month. The Warmer of the Month is originally $55. It will be on sale for $49.50. The Squeeze the Day Scent Circle is going to be on sale for $2.70. The Squeeze the Day Scentsy Bar, which I showed here, is going to be on sale for $5.40, and the Squeeze the Day Room Spray is going to be on sale for $7.20. If you guys are interested in checking out the Squeeze of the Day or the Lemonade Pitcher Warmer, definitely check the link below because I am a Scentsy consultant, and you guys will be able to purchase that starting June 1st. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.